Adding a girl's profile to see if she notices.
Pick a show for us, please.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a bathroom real fast, okay?
Now we wait.
Oh my god!
What?
My favorite show's on here now.
Oh,
Can you go get us snacks?
yeah.
Please hurry.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Thank you. Hurry up.
All right. To Jake. Enjoy the show with Lizzie. Oh, she's being nicer than I thought. To Lizzie. I hope you enjoy Small Things. Is there a new show called Small Things?